Opening a TradeStation account is a simple process that gives you access to a wide range of trading tools for stocks, options, futures, and cryptocurrencies. Here's how you can do it. Visit the TradeStation website. Go to TradeStation.com. Click on the Open an Account button, which is usually prominently displayed on the homepage. Choose your account type. Account types. TradeStation offers different types of accounts, including individual, joint, retirement, and entity accounts. Select the account type that best suits your needs. Complete the application. Personal information. Fill out the online application with your personal details, including your name, address, social security number, and employment information. Financial information. Provide details about your financial background, investment experience, and risk tolerance. This helps TradeStation tailor its services to your needs. Fund your account. Deposit funds. After approval, you can fund your account by linking a bank account or wiring funds. TradeStation has various funding methods, so choose the one that works for you. Start trading. Access the platform. Once your account is funded, download the TradeStation platform and start trading stocks, options, futures, or cryptocurrencies.